PewDiePie was born in Sweden and started his YouTube channel in 2010. He became famous for his video game commentary and humorous content. By 2013, he became the most subscribed YouTuber with over 22 million subscribers. He now has over 109 million subscribers and is one of the most influential internet personalities. PewDiePie has been criticized for sexist and racist behavior in his videos. He also faced backlash for using anti-Semitic language and promoting far-right content. He lost deals with Disney, and YouTube read over it. PewDiePie has since apologized for his behavior but continues to face criticism for his jokes and content. PewDiePie has donated over $1 million to various charities, including St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, the World Wildlife Fund, and the Child Rights and You organization. He has also raised over $300,000 for various causes through his Twitch live streams. PewDiePie uses his platform to raise awareness and funds for important causes. PewDiePie has had a significant impact on internet culture and content creation. He paved the way for many YouTubers and popularized the genre of Let's Play videos. He also inspired a new generation of content creators to pursue their passions and make a living on the platform. PewDiePie's legacy will continue to influence internet culture for years to come. THX for watching. Please subscribe to this video.